Hi everyone. Are you tired of spending hours trying to create professional quality videos with text? Do you want to find an easier and more efficient way to convert your long-form content into short, shareable videos? Look no further, because Pictory is here to help. Pictory is an AI-based video creation tool that allows you to quickly and easily turn your articles, blogs, podcasts, and more into stunning videos. It uses the latest AI technology to scan through a library of royalty-free images and videos, and it automatically syncs them with your inputted script to create a video that perfectly conveys your message. But that's not all. Pictory also offers a variety of customizable templates, audio editing options, a music library, a video footage library, transcription, subtitles, and special effects. You can even record your own voiceover or use one of the realistic AI voices to read your script. And with integration with Hootsuite, you can easily schedule your videos to be automatically posted on social media. So why should you buy Pictory? Simply put, it's the most advanced and user-friendly AI video creation tool on the market. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or anyone who needs to create engaging videos from text, Pictory has everything you need. And with a free trial available, you can try it out for yourself and see just how powerful it is. Not convinced yet? Here are a few more reasons to give Pictory a try. Affordable pricing. With subscription options starting at just $29 per month, Pictory is an affordable choice for anyone looking to up their video creation game. Easy to use. No technical skills or software downloads are required to use Pictory. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy for anyone to create stunning videos in just minutes. Extensive educational material. Not sure how to get started with Pictory? No problem. The software offers a variety of educational resources, including tutorial videos, to help you get the most out of it. Great customer support. If you have any questions or need help with Pictory, the customer support team is always ready to assist you. So don't waste any more time struggling with complicated video editors. Give Pictory a try and start creating amazing videos today. And don't forget to visit the link in the description to learn more and sign up for your free trial. Thanks for watching, and we hope you'll consider giving Pictory a try. It's the perfect solution for anyone looking to create professional quality videos with text, quickly and easily.